This is Peculiar Bricks Republic Fighter Tank using two 332nd Trooper battle packs. Now, before I give the review, let's get into the speed build. After that quick speed build, let's take a look at this thing. So, I really like these cannons. I'm probably gonna use this in a stop motion, but this is like, I really love the design on the engine designs. Definitely one of my favorite parts about this. Also the way that he just puts these side parts on. That connection is really good. Oh, something just broke. Okay, it's fine. Plus, this very nice sleek design for the pilots to sit in. This is definitely, if you have the 332nd battle packs, building it up in army, this is definitely something I recommend to build. And imagine just having these in armies. As a stop motion builder, as a stop motion maker, I definitely think this is a pickup. You at least need 2 of these in your army. Also, these cannons. These cannons are like some sort of anti-vehicle or grenade launchers. This design over here, pretty good over here as well. I really like it, especially using these stud shooters, which is a really great technique to fit those in. I'm probably going to use these to upgrade my Titan cameraman to make him look a lot better. But then also just the design, it's so nice and sleek. There's hardly any studs exposed. Plus, the studs that are exposed are just there to look good. Now, if you want more things like this, I suggest go subscribe to Peculiar Bricks and switch your notifications on, as well as I probably will be reviewing them. So, I suggest you also subscribe to me, leave a like, comment, and turn notifications on. Hope you have a good one. Thanks for watching.